Okay, so let's have some fun. We're gonna do a barbell complex workout. Now, if you've never done one of these before, let me explain to you before we get started exactly what a barbell complex is. So obviously, we have a barbell, and you're gonna load it with the amount of weight that is appropriate for you to complete 5 different exercises in succession with no rest between sets. So my first bit of advice to you would be, don't bite off more than you can chew. This is not about proving yourself how strong you are. This is about really getting a metabolic workout and taking your body to another level. So my recommendation would be to start with a lighter weight. We are going to, like I said, do 5 separate exercises with no rest between sets. And then we'll rest after we complete the 5 different exercises, and I'll tell you what those are in a minute. But the idea is never take your hands off the bar. That's what really creates the barbell complex. It's complex because we're adding 5 different exercises together. They're multi-joint exercises, meaning you're gonna work your body. You're really gonna get your metabolism revved up. We're gonna do squats, squat push press, bent over rows, deadlifts, and then overhead press. So once again, you're gonna do 1 to 5 sets depending on your current level of fitness. Don't do too much too soon. Do what you can the best you can, and let's have fun with this. If you want to turn on the music in the background, absolutely do that. Now, I don't have a lot of weight. I got 25s on each side. You might want to have some collars so the weights don't slide off. Safety is always first. So let's get ready. My assumption is you've already warmed up. You don't want to jump into any of these programs without first warming up. Now remember, we're doing 12 repetitions per exercise with no rest between sets, and then we're going to complete that, and then we're going to rest. So you are left on your own. After we complete this first set together, I'm going to let you decide how many you want to do. But again, save some for the future. I don't want you to go too hard. So squats, you're going to take that weight, you're going to put it overhead on your back right here. Ready? We're going to do 12 reps, feet hip width apart, toes slightly pointed out. You're going to come down as low as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, come on, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, I'm going to take the weight off here. Remember, we're not taking our hands off the bar. We're going to do a squat, push, press. That means the weight's going to go here. Squat, push, press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now we're going to do bent rows. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Deadlift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 11, almost there, 12. Overhead press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Rest 1 to 3 minutes, depending on your current fitness level. Then you're going to repeat that for 1 to 5 sets. Totally up to you. Have fun with this. Let me know how you do. Leave a comment at the end of this and have fun. I want to know what you're looking for. So like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel too. Make it a great day.